What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. In today's video, I am doing a ZARA home haul. ZARA Home has become my new favorite home store. I am literally on there every single day checking to see if they got new stuff in. I'm gonna go through all of the stuff I bought for my new house. Oh, by the way, welcome to my bedroom. It's not finished yet. I need to get new mirrors for the nightstands. I need to hang the picture above my bed, but this is the situation for now, and a lot of it is actually from ZARA Home. So I'm going to go through and show you guys everything I bought, and then I'm also going to show you guys how I styled it in my home. If you go on the website, the whole vibe is so calming, so zen, and that's exactly how I want my home to be. There's a lot of natural textures, a lot of natural materials and colors. Honestly, I would just buy the whole store if I could. Before we get into the video, I just want to thank BetterHelp for sponsoring today's video. As you guys know, I've worked with BetterHelp for months now. I personally pay for the service, and that's why I want to collaborate with them. Whenever I collab with them, it means I get a coupon code for you guys, and it just makes therapy that much more affordable. This is a service I pay for myself. I 100% love them, I 100% support them, and I won't stop talking about them because they seriously changed my life. So with BetterHelp, you have access to over 20,000 licensed therapists online. It's not a crisis line, it's not self-help. It is professional therapy done securely online. So basically how it works, BetterHelp will assess your needs and will match you with a licensed therapist in as little as 48 hours. I don't know about you, but when I was looking for a therapist in my area before I started doing BetterHelp, I was on a waiting list for, well, it had been weeks at that point, but it could take months. But with BetterHelp, you're gonna get matched with a licensed therapist in as little as 48 hours. You can access it worldwide, no matter where you are. It's just amazing because, you know, when you're reaching out for someone to talk to someone, a licensed therapist, you don't wanna be told, wait. You're gonna actually have to wait months before you can talk to someone. And if you don't vibe with them, if you don't feel connected with your therapist, which is so important, you can actually switch. BetterHelp will facilitate that and make sure that you are matched with someone you connect with. You can log into your BetterHelp account at any time and message your therapist, and you will get a timely and thoughtful response. And what's even more amazing is that you can schedule weekly or monthly, however often you want it, video and phone sessions with your therapist, and you don't even have to leave your house, which is my favorite part. You work it into your schedule. You can do it in the evenings, you can do it during the day, whatever works for you. You can integrate it into your lifestyle and make it work for you, which is my favorite part. BetterHelp is already more affordable than traditional therapy, and they offer financial aid. And if you go to betterhelp.com/Tony, my listeners can get 10% off their first month. So I will leave them linked down below. Make sure you check them out, and thank you BetterHelp for sponsoring today's video. Okay, so now let's get into my ZARA home haul. I tested them out a few years ago, and I really was like impressed with the quality and the stuff, but oh my gosh, they've really stepped up their game, and they have furniture now. They have beautiful chairs. Their furniture is amazing quality. It's super easy to put together, and you really can't beat the price. Haven't had one thing except the mirror that came broken, which I'm going to talk about, that I got that I didn't absolutely love. Let's start with the furniture. The first piece of furniture that I want to talk about is this baby right here. It is a little bench, and I got this to put at the end of my bed, exactly where it is. I love it because it is real solid wood. It is heavy. You can feel the quality, and it was super easy to put together. I love that it's nice and thin, so it doesn't take up too much room at the end of the bed, or if you wanted to put it in a hallway perhaps. It's a delicious color, and it just fits perfectly in my bedroom. The next furniture I bought are these chairs. They're called the terry cloth armchair. They're not terry cloth, so I'm not sure why they're called that. It's like a nice shearling material. I ended up putting them in my bedroom because I wanted my bedroom to have a really zen, relaxing vibe. I got 2 of them, and I actually stuck a table I bought at HomeSense in between them, and it created the perfect little morning reading seating area in my bedroom. I think these would also look really good at the end of the bed because they are a little bit of a smaller chair and a little bit lower to the ground. The only thing I have to say about them is that they do kind of have a a pink tint to them. Zara has a lot of different armchair options. I'm eyeing these. The next piece of furniture is this console table. This actually, I was debating for a long time, and I was kind of looking at other wood console tables. I really wanted a rustic, kind of like a reclaimed oak console table. And I was looking at one from Restoration Hardware, and it was like $3,000 for a simple console table, and I was not about to pay $3,000 for that. And then I found it on Zara's website. I found this one, and it was just everything I had ever imagined. I wanted it for the wall in my like dining room area. I love pairing more modern pieces, so I have a beautiful marble table paired with a more rustic console table. So this console table is absolutely beautiful. Again, solid wood, it's heavy, it's substantial. The color is even more beautiful in person, but it's a bitch to put together. The next little furniture item that I got is this little stool that I put next to my bathtub just to incorporate some wood into my bathroom. I stacked some towels on it, actually a towel I got from Zara Home. I love how it just really warms up the place. My bathroom is pretty white, so I love having that warm woody element to it. Now let's talk about mirrors. I bought 2 mirrors, actually bought 3 mirrors from Zara. One came broken. The first mirror I bought is this decorated wood mirror. I have been looking for a mirror like this forever. Everyone has the one from Anthropologie, but they don't ship to Canada, and I've been on the hunt for a mirror like this forever. It's made out of wood instead of like iron. You can kind of see the wood texture coming through the gold paint. Put it on the wood console table, also from Zara Home, and it just created this beautiful space in my dining room. I'm absolutely obsessed with it. It's the perfect size. I think it would look even amazing in a bedroom, in a hallway. The next mirror I bought is this rectangular mirror, and this is a huge mirror. I put this in my front entrance for now. I'm not exactly sure where I want to put it, but it is a huge mirror with black iron details. Mirrors are so expensive, and this mirror was $399 Canadian, which is still pricey obviously, but compared to mirrors of this size, it is a steal. I also got this mirror to use on my vanity, but it came smashed. I just called the number on their website, actually on my receipt, and they refunded me right away. I also had an item that was missing in my order. It got shipped out literally the next day, and I was so impressed with their customer service. Next, let's talk about this rug, which I think this may be my favorite purchase from Zara Home. I bought this on a whim because rugs are freaking expensive, and when I saw this one, I loved the colors of it. It was the perfect size for my bedroom. Like I said, I was going for kind of like a zen bedroom. I wanted a pattern in it, and this was just absolutely perfect. If you get one thing from this haul, let it be this rug. A little bit of a weird size, I'm not gonna lie, but it fits my room perfectly, and the colors are just to die for. It is thin, so it's not a super thick plush rug, but for under a bed, it's perfect. They have a ton of other rugs as well. I can't speak for the quality or the color of those, but with this one, I 100% recommend it. Now let's talk about the little decorations I got, the blankets, the throws and pillows and all that fun stuff. So I got this boucle blanket, that's what it's called, but I love the colors of it. I love that it kind of has this rusticy orange stripe along the bottom. I just have it draped over my couch. I love how it ties in the warm tones that I also have in my pillows, and it is a very comfy blanket. I've used it many times now. It is a little bit of a pricey blanket, coming in at 99 Canadian dollars, but it's so thick and the quality is so good. The next thing I got is this ceramic tea light holder. I definitely don't put tea lights in it. I use it kind of as like a little bowl. I got the larger size on my island. It's the perfect size to kind of add a little decorative object wherever you need one. One thing I haven't kind of dipped into are like the vases and pots from Zara Home. That's definitely what I want to get into next. The next thing I got is this glass jar, and I love that it had this wood lid. So I use this to hold my Nespresso pods. I have a white kitchen, and I love incorporating wood and natural elements in the little decorations and details. And this glass jar also matches these cups that I got from Zara Home, my coffee mugs. For the first time in my life, all of my coffee mugs match, all of my glasses match, and it brings me a sense of calm that I didn't know I needed. I can appreciate a good, fun coffee mug, but when I open my cabinet and I see all matching coffee cups, it just makes me so happy. Amazing quality. They hold my coffee, and that's really all that matters. And then I also got these little cups that have matching saucers. I got 4 of them, and they're the perfect size if you want to add a little bit of cream to your espresso. They're just really cute. I love serving people a little coffee with a saucer. The next thing I got is this stoneware honey pot, and oh, this is just the cutest thing. Honestly, I don't add honey to things very often. When I saw this, I had to have it. It's so cute. It has like the little honey, what is that little stick called? I don't know. It's so cute. The first time I got it though, the little honey stick, what is it called? It was missing from the box, and so I called them. They sent a new one immediately. I didn't have to send it back or anything. They just sent me a new one. The next thing I got is this aluminum tray. I think this was on sale when I bought it. I just love that it looks like a natural piece, maybe something you found on the street. I don't know. I love when things aren't perfect, but they were meant to be like that. I don't love when things are like broken, but I love when it kind of looks just natural. And it holds some of my dish rags, which I also got from ZARA Home. They came in these 3 different colors as a set. Next thing I got is this olive oil holder. Now, a lot of people told me when I showed this on Instagram that clear olive oil containers makes your oil go rancid. And you know what? Maybe, but it was too cute to pass up. I haven't noticed any issues with my olive oil, and I use so much olive oil that I don't even think it would have time to go rancid. Obviously, I don't fill the whole thing up. I kind of just fill it halfway, and I've had no issues with it so far. It's not completely clear. There is like some color to it. I don't know if that like makes a difference at all. The next thing I got is this little wooden brush. I put this on the wood pedestal I got from Amber Interiors, but I think it's sold out, but I will leave a similar one link down below with my soap. I actually haven't used it yet. I just use a regular sponge to actually clean my dishes. I thought this little wooden brush was just so cute. The next thing I got is this little, it's called a muslin towel, and I put this actually stacked in my bathroom on the little wood bench that I had shown you earlier, and it just creates like a whole pretty little area in my bathroom. I feel like I'm at like a fancy hotel or maybe a spa. I don't know. It's just about the little details that I've noticed make such a big difference. I also picked up this black resin tissue box to hide my tissue boxes. Like I said, it's those little details that make the difference. So instead of having a regular tissue box out or in your bathroom, I love having a tissue box case. This one's just black, super simple. And the last thing I got is actually this pillowcase, but I have a few pillows from ZARA Home. These pillows right here are also from ZARA Home, but I got them a long time ago. Their pillowcases are a little bit pricier than, let's say, H&M Home, which is also amazing. I did a haul from them in this video. ZARA Home does have beautiful pillows, and I got this one. It's on my couch. I really got it to test out the material and the quality, and of course, it was amazing. So that is it for my ZARA Home haul slash review. I know I seem like I was paid to talk about them because I didn't have one bad thing to say about them, but I literally loved every single thing I got from them, and they're my favorite furniture in my house. Like my bench here in my bedroom, my rug, it really made my house exactly how I wanted it. I think the next thing I'm going to test out from them are their vases and their planters and stuff like that. So I will leave everything linked down below. If you have any questions or anything, let me know. Let me know if you like this kind of video and if it was helpful to kind of see the pieces styled in my home. I absolutely will be doing a regular ZARA haul soon. I haven't done one since Christmas, so it's been a few months. I think I'm due for a spring ZARA haul, so definitely subscribe for that. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys back here next.